Mr. G.K. Vasan now joining me live. Mr. Vasan, hello and thank you for speaking to us on Newsa. Why have you quit? What happened?
Yes, Arnab.
Why have you quit?
No, this is a long demand from the major section of cadres from Tamil Nadu. For 48 years, Congress is not in power in Tamil Nadu. Cadres always feel that Kamaraj rule should be in Tamil Nadu again.
So you said that you are not satisfied, Mr. Vasan, with the way the party is functioning regarding the achievement of goals in Tamil Nadu. Can you elaborate?
Yeah, the goal for all the congressmen here is to achieve Kamaraj rule. Unfortunately, in the national setup, the system which they have given for the local unit here does not seem to work to fulfill the aspiration of the Kamaraj rule.
So you have said this repeatedly, Mr. Vasan, that the Congress can be strengthened only by invoking the legacy of Kamaraj and your late father G.K. Moopanar. Why has the central leadership led by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi been reluctant to do the same? Are they afraid of ceding space?
I would only like to say today that it is very unfortunate that there is no yardstick to measure the merit of any leaders to strengthen the party in the state.
That means favoritism.
Cadres thought there should be a better system.
No, that means favoritism. Huh? When you're saying that there is no yardstick on...
No, I can only tell you that this was the feeling of the cadres. The merit did not take place.
So if merit did not count, what counted according to the cadres? What did they think?
If the merit takes place in any party, it's good for the party to achieve their goal. If there is a system failure and the merit does not take place, then it will be very difficult for the party to achieve their goal. That was a problem in Tamil Nadu. That is why the workers insisted me to have a regional outlook.
So did you try and talk about this? Did you try and talk about this to your party, to the Congress party top leadership? Did you try and explain the feelings of the cadre?
In general, I have mentioned the difficulties here.
So if merit did not matter, and you have said that you are deeply worried about the Congress in Tamil Nadu, you feel the Congress central leadership ignored this whole issue, ignored the crisis that has been brewing for a long time?
I would not say they ignored. Naturally, the central leadership idea will always be to see that there is a strong Congress unit in the state.
Yes.
Unfortunately, the system which they gave, the approach they had here locally did not work out.
What system?
That is why
what system and which approach? I want you to elaborate on that.
System means, to be exact,
yes.
If there is a merit in the case, there should be a yardstick that will know A has got merit and A can be placed here, B can be placed here. When that is not there, naturally, the organization fails to work as you want the organization to work.
Yeah. See, you're a mass leader, Mr. Vasan, like your father. You're a mass leader. And on the other hand, there are other leaders from Tamil Nadu who are not mass leaders, who have held high positions in the Congress party. Has that also been an issue for you? Because you repeatedly speak of merit. Aren't you talking about that essentially?
I have been in the national leadership for 14 long years. I know of the leadership in the center also. In every state, they have a lot of Congress leaders. Everybody claims merit. The High Command has to adjust with as many as leaders as possible. That is where the system fails.
Mr. Vasan, have you had a problem with Mr. Chidambaram? On 27th of October, yes?
I have not had problems with any leaders either in the state or center. All the state leaders who are here are in an age. They've been working with Kamaraj and my late father, and I've always had a very regular association with them. I did not have any negative association. Party-wise, there may be a healthy competition. I hope others appreciate that I hold the major section of the party.
Are you confident, you say you hold a major section of the party, are you confident that a major section of the Congress party, cadre, local level leadership, etc., Mr. Vasan, will be with you?
Taking this bold decision, regional party, is because of the strength of the cadre base. Today, the regional party has started. It has started going on.
So you're confident about that. Mr. Vasan, you have alleged that the All India Congress Committee has ignored the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee, and as a result the party apparatus is in a lull post the Lok Sabha elections. But isn't this true in every state where the Congress has not implemented any serious course correction despite the election losses?
I only said that they have not ignored. They have not given the proper system which should be given to fulfill the aspiration of the cadres in Tamil Nadu.
But you've been in the party, and you've known for 18 years after the merger, as you pointed out today in your press conference, for 18 years after the merger, you have loyally been within the Congress party. 14 years, sorry. So,
yeah, definitely.
People are both a little surprised and taken aback that you have left the Congress, and also because you are one of the younger leaders. Do you believe the Congress party needs to change the way it's functioning in order to grow in the future?
No, I am personally not happy. I am personally not happy to leave the National Party. I am forced to leave the National Party because of the system. I am going by my cadres. My cadres feel this system will not allow them to function.
I understand.
To strengthen the party.
When was the last time? Level. When was the last time you met Rahul Gandhi?
No, it is not a question of meeting the leaders. Whenever necessary, I meet, I talk. I don't have a schedule. I should meet every month or every 2 months or 3 months, because I take care of my work perfectly.
I'm sure you do. But the revelations of the Antony Committee report are still not out in the public domain, Mr. Vasan. Though we hear that the top leadership of the Congress party has been absolved of any responsibility after that defeat. Do you feel the Congress, and Mr. Vasan, see, your father and your father was known to be a very free and frank man. I've interviewed him many times, and I'm told that you are frank if you want to be as well. Why don't you answer my question in a very direct manner?
Tell me.
My question to you is, do you feel the Congress party has introspected?
Try to.
Do you feel the Congress party has introspected or acted enough to course correct after the Lok Sabha elections?
No, I personally feel weak states like Tamil Nadu should have been given more attention, which has not been given even after the debacle in the Lok Sabha election. This 4 months, because of the complete system failure from the AICC, it has cost the party more. Now we'll have to do more hard work. To regain the public support.
Mr. Vasan, some people were speculating that the BJP is also making feelers to you. Is that true?
Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. I am in a different path. I believe Kamaraj. I believe my father's role. The ideology is quite different. My workers are quite different. Their workers are quite different. We have the capacity in future to lead the state.
Will you go either with the DMK or the AIDMK? Some other sources told us that GK Vasan is getting close to the DMK. Is this true, or will you try and be a third pole in Tamil Nadu politics?
I think this is a high-level rumor Arnab says now. All these alliance business and all comes only at the time of elections. I think you have seen a lot of states, lot of parties, what happens at the time of election. So there is no point in committing anything now. This time for me to strengthen my party.
No, but Mr. Vasan, you know, I want you to tell me more about what you are worried about the Congress. You know, we want your view on what you feel the Congress party could have done. Because at a systemic level, when you are saying there has been an organizational collapse and things like that, what is exactly the problem?
No, I made it, Arnab, I made it very clear. This is one state in the country where 48 years the party is not in power. The AICC should have given a special status for this state, and it should have been given the best system. We should have worked positively.
No, more independence at the local level? More independence at the local level, perhaps? Is that what you're indicating at? Hinting at?
I think that is what all the leaders want in the state, not only in Tamil Nadu.
So that basically
it goes without saying.
Yeah, exactly. So goes without saying. You're saying that regional strong leaders, you know, should be given a free hand in building an aggressive strategy for growth of the Congress party in each of the states. That's what you're saying. Not limited to Tamil Nadu.
No, that is the mood of the cadres and public, I think, throughout the country, if I'm not wrong.
So why is it not happening?
You should ask the Congress leadership. I am dissatisfied that I have come out now. I am going to do my business.
Did you ever try to speak to them? Did you pick up the phone and speak to Sonia Gandhi?
No, I have told, as I told you, with a lot of respect for the Congress leadership, many a times I have tried to put up the subject. But being a national party, you know, there are a lot of agendas for them, and I think they are not able to fully concentrate on some of the subjects.
How can this be? A party leadership not able to concentrate on the subjects, especially after a collapse like it happened in the Lok Sabha elections?
I don't know. I don't.
You feel they're conscious?
Really
you feel they're totally conscious of the gravity of the situation?
I feel that here this is the right time to get the confidence of the people in the name of Kamaraj, Mr. Moopanar, and other late leaders who are no more in the Congress. I think I am doing the right thing.
And if they reach out to you now, if they call you now and say, Mr. Vasan, reconsider, will you reconsider? If Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi call you now and say, we'll look at what your concerns are, will you reconsider? Or have you gone too far already?
With respect to the Congress leadership, I have already announced my decision.
Finally, Mr. Vasan, a lot of people say that for the Congress party, more than anything else, you see, because there was a half a mutiny in Assam, but the leader in question did not leave the Congress, Himanta Biswa Sarma. But this is the first exit of a serious senior level mass leader from a state, and that also from a relatively younger age group. Many people say that G.K. Vasan's exit from the Congress party should be the wake-up call for the Congress party leadership.
Arnab, I am a leader here because of my cadre base. I go by my cadres very clearly. If I have to achieve Kamaraj rule in the state through a party, that will be only through the new party with the blessings of my cadres and senior leaders who are with me. I think I have taken the right stand. I am on the clear path. I am happy about it now.
Well, G.K. Vasan, interesting comments out there. Clearly, you are going to be a big player in Tamil Nadu. And though you're being very diplomatic today about the Congress party leadership, it's quite clear that this is going to be the wake-up call that the Congress party perhaps needs at this point of time. Whether they react to that or not, we'll see. Thank you, Mr. Vasan. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnav. Thank you.